Adding your patients in FastAttach. This video instructs you on how to add your patients into the FastAttach software. To begin, go to the main screen of FastAttach. From the main screen, click on the button labeled New Search on the left. This will take you to the patient search screen. You will then need to click on the New Patient button located in the center of the screen. By clicking on this button, you will be taken to the patient information screen. Once on the patient information screen, you will need to enter in your patient's data. To begin, enter in your patient's first name, followed by your patient's last name. You will need to enter in a patient's date of birth with a 2-digit, 2-digit, 4-digit format, and then you will need to enter in a medical record number or MRN. The medical record number field is an optional field, and you may leave it blank if a medical record number is not available. Next, you will need to enter in the provider for your patient. To do so, drop the menu down under Sending Provider and choose the appropriate provider from the list. After entering in all of the required information fields, you will then need to enter in the appropriate recipient. To do so, you will need to drop the menu down next to recipient name and choose the appropriate recipient from the list. Please be sure to choose the appropriate recipient for your patient. After choosing the recipient, you will need to enter in the member ID. The member ID may be a Social Security number, Medicare member ID, or member ID from the patient's insurance card. After entering in the member ID, you will then need to choose the relationship of the patient to the insured party. Choose the appropriate option from self, spouse, child, employee, unknown, handicapped dependent, significant other, injured plaintiff, life partner, or dependent. If you choose any other option besides self, you will then need to verify the member's information for first and last name by typing in the member's first name and either typing in or editing the member last name. Once you have entered in all pieces of required information for your patient, click the Next button located at the top left of the window. Once you click the Next button, you will be greeted with a pop-up window asking you to save your changes. Click Yes to save your changes. This will take you to the data entry screen. Once on the data entry screen, you can review your patient's first name, date of birth, sending provider, and choose an alternate provider if necessary, recipient name, and the member's information that you typed on the last screen. To return to patient information, click Patient Info. You may now edit any information or add a new recipient as necessary. To add a new recipient, click Add New Recipient and choose the appropriate recipient name from the drop-down. Once you have entered in any of the additional information, either click Next to save or Cancel to return to the data entry screen. This concludes this instructional video. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to watch any of our other instructional videos available to you. And thank you for using FastAttach.